Okay, and I'm back. Phone call over. So we were talking about production possibilities curve, which is right there. Uh, so these are the things that you could have done in 30 seconds with 5 sheets of paper with the skills that you have. Some of you might have done better than others. Some people might have made 5 paper airplanes in 30 seconds. Some people may not have. Think about why that might be true. Why is it that some of your classmates could make 5 paper airplanes, but maybe some of them can only make one in 30 seconds? Why might that be true? Maybe some of you stink at making paper airplanes. Maybe you are possibly the world's worst paper airplane makers. And the same might be true about the tents. So everybody's curve may be different. But the way we read this thing works about the same way here. So I want you to notice, I want you to do something for me first here. So I've got 4 dots, or 4 dots. Let's try that again. 3 dots, A, B, and C here. I would like you to take a second and see if you can figure out at each dot roughly how many paper airplanes and tents would be getting made at those dots. So pause the video. I'm going to tell you the answer when we get back here, but pause the video for a second, see if you can do it. Okay, so let's see here. We'll start at C and work out to A. I want you to see here. So at C, if you look and you read the graph, it's about 1 tent and 1 paper airplane. And I want you to ask yourself something. It would it have been possible for somebody in our experiment to make 1 paper airplane and 1 tent if I had said, hey, mix it up and see if you can do this in 30 seconds? Would that have been a possibility? Yeah, it probably would have been possible for them to do that, to divide their time and get 1 of each. However, I want you to go to B now and look at B. How many airplanes and how many tents get made at B? Well, I've got 3 here, so that's 3 tents. And down, give me 2 airplanes. Is it possible that somebody could have made 3 paper airplanes, 3 paper airplanes and 2, let me try that again, 3 tents and 2 paper airplanes? Is that possible? Sure. Did you have 5 sheets of paper to make those? You did, so 2 and 3 is 5. You could have done that. Is there somebody that could have been good enough at making both of those things that they could have done it in 30 seconds? Possible, okay? So notice that C and B both represent possibilities. But when you get out here to A, what I'm going to call this, let's say it's about 5 tents and 4 airplanes. Is it possible to make 5 tents and 4 paper airplanes in 30 seconds? Really? How many sheets of paper would you need to make 5 paper airplanes and 4 tents? Or switch it around. 9 pieces of paper, but you only had 5. So notice, C and B are what we call possibilities. You could do this. But out here at A, this is what we call impossible. Now, think about it though. Because things that are impossible suddenly become possible oftentimes. How could it become possible to produce at A, where we're making 5 tents and 4 planes? How could we do that? What would you need to have happen? Think about some of the things that would occur, or have to occur for this to become possible. You need more paper, maybe, more time, more skills, more, if I had educated you and taught you how to make better, faster paper airplanes, maybe if those things had changed, it would have become possible. But given the resources that you had, it's not possible here. So you get impossible. Anything below is possible. Anything outside of your curve is impossible. Now, the final thing that I'm going to show you here, actually 2 things. If you notice between C and B here, C and B are both possible, but where would you rather be? At point B or point C? I'd rather be at point B because I'm making more, I'm producing up to my abilities. Whereas at C, I could be doing a lot better. So C is what we call inefficient, But B is what we call efficient. All right. I'm going to stop this. I want to do one more thing, but I got to clean up that graph because it's a hideous mess right now. So I'll get back with you.